attempt it. I think I have already given the quizzes. And the students have attempted the. Those who have not attempted are informed, instructed to attend so that you will get the benefit of the marks which are going to be calculated based on your quizzes. So, like you have sessionals, that sessionals are converted, like if the sessional is conducted for 20 marks, the marks of are converted into out of 3, out of 4, right? Maybe 5. So the calculations will be clear to you later on. But it's better to attend all the sessionals and quizzes so that one by one you can reach to your full internal. If the internal marks are say out of 15, so if you want 15 out of 15, it's better to attempt all the quizzes and the sessionals. Like if the sessional paper is of 30 marks, you are getting 29 or maybe 28 or maybe 30, right? Accordingly, you can score full marks for that particular sessional in internals. You are getting full marks for sessional 2 as well. Again, you get the full marks for sessional in internals. If you are attempting all the quizzes, definitely you reach to that particular step and you can score 15 out of 15 even for the internals. Okay, so the students are instructed not to skip any of the quiz. Attempt the quiz. If you find any difficulty, I am there to solve it. After attempting, still you find that, like, sir, I am not comfortable or I am not confident enough for the quiz which I have attempted, so kindly help. So definitely I am there to give you all sort of help. Don't hesitate to ask your question. Another point is, like, there is no language barrier. If you want to ask your question in Marathi, I am there. In Hindi, in English, in Sanskrit. So 4 languages I know. So out of these 4 languages, you can ask your doubt, you can ask your, you can put up your query, but don't keep those queries, those questions in your mind, and like those queries may get converted into that fear of having the difficulty in subject. So please don't do so. It's better to solve your all the queries whenever we have the discussion. So in fact, I have 3 minutes to start our next unit. So in that 3 minutes, if you want to share something from your side, you are free to do so. So many a times, like I think you know the pattern of the education, like academics. We generally conduct the classes, theory, practicals, and based on that academics, the feedback from the student is taken. Generally, what happens?
So the voice is breaking.
No, like a particular faculty, like faculty A conducts your classes. Generally, faculty A conducts your classes. Is it okay? Okay, faculty A conducts your classes, and later on, you give feedback in the feedback system, right? And that feedback is given for some other reason, like for some other place, maybe online. Right? So when you give feedback, that feedback goes to the third person, and then the person who is teaching to you get that feedback कि अरे ऐसा है. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं, डेली डिस्कशंस हमारे होते हैं, क्लासेस हम लोग आपके लेते हैं या आप लोग अटेंड करते हो, तो अगर उसी वक्त आप लोग डिस्कस करें फैकल्टी से कि आपके प्रॉब्लम्स क्या है, या उस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड आपको कोई इशू है क्या, या उस सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल बिकॉज ऑफ लाइक नॉट गेटिंग दी थिंग्स, then you can directly ask. So no, don't hesitate कि मैं फीडबैक में लिखूंगा तो ही मुझे रिजल्ट मिलेगा, ऐसा नहीं, राइट? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द सब्जेक्ट, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द पोर्शन, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द टॉपिक, तो कुछ भी अगर आपको लगता है तो यू जस्ट हैव द डिस्कशन. जैसे अभी स्टूडेंट ने कहा कि सर वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है, so immediately yes, voice break हो रहा है, तो I have to correct, I have to do the correction, I have to check my internet, right? So right now I am using Wi-Fi as well as my mobile's hotspot. So whenever that Wi-Fi weakers become if the Wi-Fi range becomes weak, immediately switch over to the mobile's hotspot. But still, if students are finding any difficulty in voice quality or in the presentation, please tell me so that I can correct it. Yes, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So am I audible to all clearly? There is no problem.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, but still in between, if you find any difficulty, please let me know. If I am not able to hear you properly, please write it down in the chat box. Because whenever you write anything in the chat box, as the recording is going on, later on when I check my recording, I get all the messages which you have written in the chat box, so that accordingly I can correct myself. Okay, so that correction method, I think this is always good, that कि भैया कोई चीज आपको पसंद नहीं है, कोई चीज बहुत अच्छी लगे, तो दोनों वे से आप उस चीज को बता सकते हो कि सर नहीं समझा या बहुत अच्छा था, राइट? So good, bad, everything you can comment, everything you can share, so that that correction can be done immediately. अगर आप कहोगे कि सर हम लोग बाद में उसको बताएंगे टू द थर्ड पर्सन, देन थर्ड पर्सन अगेन वो सेकेंड पर्सन के पास आएगा कि ऐसा ऐसा है. तो मुझे like this is just my thought which I wanted to share. Okay, so let us start with the lecture now. I want to start with unit number 2, that is magnetic circuit. This magnetic circuit is basically, okay, present screen. So this is your magnetic circuit. I think all of you can see presentation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now my question is, what do you know about magnetic circuit? What is meant by a magnetic circuit?
Circuit which generate magnetic field.
Okay, the kit which generate the magnetic field, correct? Okay, now instead of calling it as a kit, I just call that as a circuit. That also can be called as a network. Okay, so which develops that magnetism property called as magnetic circuit. So the magnetism property which is developed in the circuit called as magnetic circuit. That is what the simple definition, right? So like electric circuit means what? Like if I just draw a source, let us say DC circuit we have, okay? So this is my source. Now that source is of no use if it is not connected with the load. if this load and source are now not connected through any of the medium, like a conductor, so this is conductor, then the sharing of the energy cannot take place. Now what load demands? Load demands power. What that power is? That power is in the form of voltage and current. Now where the voltage is available? It is available in the form of source. Where is current? That source allows current to pass. And therefore the power is available with the load as in the form of product of voltage and current. And who gives that current? Conductor is the medium who allows current to pass from source to the load. So we can say that this end is sending end and this end is receiving end. I just take one example to understand this sending end and receiving end. अब कई बार हमारे स्टूडेंट्स के पेरेंट्स फार्मिंग करते हैं. सो आई जस्ट टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ फार्मिंग. जब हम लोग खेत में कोई भी अनाज लगाते हैं, सो आई जस्ट कंसिडर एग्जांपल ऑफ अनाज. अब अनाज जहां उगता है उसको हम कहते हैं खेत, फील्ड, राइट. और ये दिस खेत is basically a source where the generation of anaj, that is maybe gehu, chawal, etc., is generated and it is given to the consumer. अब consumer यानी क्या है? We people are the consumers, right? So this is given to the consumer. So consumer क्या हुआ? That consumer is a load. Consumer is the receiver who receives that anaj, right? So this khet becomes source and consumer becomes load. That khet becomes source and the consumer becomes load. So source means khet is the sending, or it's a sender who sends that food, right, to the consumer. So same way we have a source, voltage source, and is called sending end. It is given to the load because load demands that. Voice again break हो रहा है.
Yes, sir,
just a
it
second.
was.
Okay, now is okay.
Fine, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So मैं थोड़ा एक स्लो बात करता हूँ so that अगर ब्रेक भी हो रहा होगा तो you can listen it carefully. Okay, now students, coming back to the magnetic circuit, जैसे this is called as electric circuit. This is called as electric circuit. So figure 1 is electric circuit. Students, I will speak as well as will write. So whatever I am writing, I am going to speak. Whatever I am going to speak, that I will write, so that everyone can understand. Yes, sir is writing, it means he is speaking the same thing. So what I said is figure 1 is electric circuit. Similar way, when we need to have the magnetism, that we can develop with the help of circuit. So we need to have a source. So can you tell me how to develop the magnetism property? First of all, what is mean by magnetism property, or what are the properties of magnet? So I have two questions. What are the types of magnet and what are the properties of magnet? What are the types of magnet? What are the properties of magnet? Okay. Magnets are classified into magnets, or we can say it is permanent magnet, and electromagnet. Permanent magnet and electromagnet. Now, what are the properties of magnet? What are the properties of magnet? It is force of attraction or force of repulsion. Force of attraction or force of repulsion, called as magnet. So magnetism property is force of attraction, force of repulsion. Magnets are permanent magnets or electromagnets. Now I think all of you know what is permanent magnets. We have N polarity, S polarity, right? And that polarity always have some force of attraction or force of repulsion, depends on the poles which are in front of each other. So that magnets are called as permanent magnets. Now how electromagnetism can be developed? Electromagnetism can be developed by winding a conductor, by winding a conductor on a core. By winding a conductor on a core. On a core. So this is core. Core means what? That core may be of any of the material which is not conducting. Not conducting, like rubber is not conducting, wood is not conducting. Are you getting my point? So the material which is not conducting, so that is called as core. But that can help to develop the magnetism property. So core. Now this is conductor. This is conductor, and conductor is wound on core, and hence it becomes a coil. And hence it becomes a coil. So this kind of source, this is nothing but the source. This kind of source is called as electromagnet. This kind of source is called as electromagnet. Electromagnet means electromagnet. So there are two words. Electro means electrical energy. Electro means electrical energy. And what is electrical energy? It is voltage and current. So this coil is connected with the voltage. This coil is connected with the voltage, and hence it allows current to pass, and that current develops the energy called as magnetic energy. So we can say electromagnet converts electrical energy into magnetic energy. Electric energy into magnetic energy. Okay, now let us just see a few points related to this in the form of questions. Now I just want to ask my students, what is mean by magnetic circuit? Any one of you just answer this question. What is mean by magnetic circuit? Yes, students, please participate. Don't worry that, see, no one is going to punish you. आपको मैं क्लास के बाहर खड़ा नहीं करूंगा. Why? Because it's an online class. First of all, right? So online class में मैं तो ये नहीं कह सकता कि चलो आदित्य खड़े हो जाओ and stand outside. Right? Okay. So let us start from Aditya. Aditya, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Apurva. Okay. Aditya, very good. Aditya, tell me, what is mean by magnetic circuit?
Circuit
Aditya, please keep your mic on. Okay. So circuit will produce magnetic field. Very good. Okay. Now, Apurva.
Yes, sir.
What are the types of magnets? What are the types of magnet?
Types of magnet.
What are the types of magnet? Okay, just now I have told you, I think, Apurva, आपका ध्यान नहीं होगा. Okay, I am just repeating that. Apurva, listen it carefully. Permanent magnet and electromagnet. Permanent magnet and electromagnet. Okay. Apurva, another question for you. What are the properties of magnet?
Properties
What
of
are
magnet. The magnet. Magnet follows a circular path. Means.
अच्छा. ओके, ठीक है, आप एकदम वैसे सही जा रहे हो. हाँ, कोई हर्ज नहीं. देखो, आप सही जा रहे हो, बट इट इज नॉट रिलेटेड टू माय क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट आर द properties of magnet? The properties of magnet are force of attraction and force of repulsion. Okay, next, Apurva, now I have to ask you again another question because you have not answered my previous two questions. My next question is, how that magnetism property can be developed? ये मैग्नेटिज्म प्रॉपर्टी हम लोग यहां पर कैसे डेवलप कर रहे हैं? How that magnetism property can be developed?
With force of attraction and repulsion.
नहीं. Okay, how we can develop the electromagnetic energy?
By passing a current through the magnetic.
Okay, by passing current through the conductor. बराबर है?
Conductor.
जैसे है ना, अब जैसे अगर मुझे मोबाइल को चार्ज करना है तो मोबाइल कैसे चार्ज होगा? चार्जर से. लेकिन अगर मैंने चार्जर का एक एंड सोर्स यानी सॉकेट से कनेक्ट कर दिया और दूसरा मैंने मोबाइल मेरे हाथ में रखा, लेकिन उसके बीच में केबल नहीं है, तो क्या मोबाइल चार्ज होगा? नहीं. उसके लिए मुझे केबल कनेक्ट करनी होगी. सो केबल आई हैव टू कनेक्ट बिटवीन द चार्जर एंड द मोबाइल फोन so that the mobile phone can charge. So what that cable is doing, that cable is basically a insulated conductor which allows current from source to the load. That is from the charger to the mobile phone. बराबर है. Similar way here, this particular portion which I am showing, यहाँ पर आपको जो portion मैंने draw किया हुआ है, that portion shows this one. This shows a conductor wound on core, and that is called as coil. But that coil is not simple like that coil, यानी ideal है जिसको हम कहेंगे passive. Why passive coil कहेंगे? Because till we connect a voltage with that is active source, आप जब तक connect नहीं करोगे तब तक that coil is passive. But as soon as you connect a voltage source, active source with the coil, that coil experiences current. And as that current passes through that conductor coil, as soon as that current passes through the conductor coil, that coil becomes, that complete system becomes a electromagnet. Hopefully you all are clear with this concept of electromagnet, how the electromagnet can be developed. Okay, now my another question to next person. Who is next? Okay, now can anyone just tell me, okay, let us ask to Aryan. Aryan, am I audible? Aryan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Aryan is there, but I am not able to hear you properly. Okay, Aryan, my next question to you is, what is the effect of that current through the coil? Okay, I'm not getting answer from Aryan, whereas from other family persons I am getting some voice. Okay, no issue. But Aryan, can you speak something related to the question? Okay, it happens many times. With me also it happens. No issue. Okay, Atharva, can you answer the question?
Produce magnetic field.
Yes, it produces magnetic field. तो आप लोग फिजिक्स में पढ़ चुके हो कि किसी भी कॉइल से अगर करंट पास होगा तो उसके पास में एक मैग्नेटिक फील्ड डेवलप होगी. अब वो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का इफेक्ट क्या होगा? दैट इफेक्ट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज फील्ड ऑफ फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और फोर्स ऑफ रिपल्शन. ठीक है. ओके, सो हियर आल्सो वी एक्सपीरियंस द सेम. यहां पर भी हम लोग वही देखेंगे कि वी फाइंड द फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन और फोर्स ऑफ repulsion, right? Now whatever the magnetic field which is developed, okay, now I just take, मैं हटा देता हूं. I don't want that part because it is not going to use. Okay, now what I draw is, I draw two parts here. One is electric circuit and another is magnetic circuit. Electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Okay, now just check this very carefully. Electric circuit where we have source and load. This is load. Now ये जो symbol मैंने draw किया है ये किसका है? Resistance. How that resistance is represented? It is represented as symbol R. How the voltage source is represented? It is represented as either EMF or potential difference. So potential difference means voltage is V. Now in between EMF and resistance, I have to use some connecting medium, that is conductor, and through this conductor we find the flow of current. So in this case there are three important terms to understand. One is voltage, which is also referred as EMF, which is also referred as potential difference. second is current, and third is resistance. Now, in case of magnetic circuit, say like this is electric circuit. What this electric circuit consists of? Electric circuit consists of a source, a load, and conductor. These three things: source first, conductor second, and load third. Similar way magnetic circuit consists of. Okay, now I just make a core. जो मैंने इसके पहले एक rectangular core draw किया था, but instead of making rectangular core, now I just draw core like this. Okay, someone wants to in the class. I just check. Mukul, you have joined very late. Please try to attend your class at the time. Exactly on time you have to attend the class, because it will be difficult for you to understand the concept which we are discussing. Okay, now guys, please check. What is this? This is called as, जैसे यहाँ पर conductor है, here we have a conductor, here we have a core. Conductor is having number 2, so core is having number 2. Okay, now this core, this is rectangular core. Rectangular core. Now this core is having two parts, two sections. First is called as core and another is called as legs. These are the legs of core, and in technical word it is called as limbs. L-I-M-B-S. L-I-M-B-S. Limbs. Is it clear up to this point? Please check. So what I said about a magnetic circuit, I said about magnetic circuit is like electric circuit, you have a magnetic circuit. इन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कंडक्टर, जैसे मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था, आपके पास एक चार्जर है और एक मोबाइल है, बट दैट चार्जर इज विदाउट केबल. क्या चार्जर उस मोबाइल को विदाउट केबल चार्ज कर सकता है? नो. Like we have that wireless chargers also. I am not talking about that. I am talking about the charger, that is wired chargers, generally which we use, right? So wired chargers cannot charge the mobile phone without the cable. So cable is acting as a medium. Cable is acting as a medium. Are you getting this? So this, like cable, we have a core. Like a core, we have a conductor. In electric circuit, we have a conductor. In magnetic circuit, we have a core. Is it clear up to this point? Okay, now I just move further. Here, if this core, जैसे मैंने आपको एक core के ऊपर winding बताई थी, conductor wound है. Similar way, if the conductor is wound here, just check the winding. How I am doing. Okay, and it is connected to the source. It is connected to the source. Let the source be voltage V and current I. So as soon as current passes through that, जैसे current इससे pass होगा, what is the effect of it which takes place here? The effect of it is that experiences the development of flux. That develops the flux. So here we get the effect as magnetic flux. So when voltage is given to the coil, current starts passing through it and it experiences magnetic flux, which is represented as phi. This is called as phi. Phi means flux. Phi means flux. As it is developed due to current, therefore it is called as magnetic flux or electromagnetic flux. Okay. Now, इसके बाद क्या होगा? That flux links with or links from one leg to other leg. That is from one limb to other limb. So this is what the path of the flux. This is what the path of the flux. So if the current is moving downward, the flux will have this kind of orientation, that is anti-clockwise. We can find out by using Lenz law. Lenz law is generally used to find the direction. Okay, here Fleming's left hand rule, Fleming's right hand rule, Lenz law are important laws or rules to get the direction orientation of the parameter. Okay, now this is represented as phi. So now the flux which is developed on the source side, now this particular end becomes a source end and this end becomes the receiving end. This end becomes receiving end and the left hand side becomes the sending end. Okay, so this is called as a magnetic circuit. Now what magnetic circuit consists of? It consists of a source, that is number 1, a core, that is number 2, and receiving end, that is number 3. In electric circuit, source number 1, conductor number 2, and resistance or load number 3. Is it clear with this? Now, can you tell me the analogy between the parameters? Like between electric circuit and magnetic circuit, I just need the analogy. कौन-कौन से parameters है? Anyone? Atharva?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry, Atharva, right? Atharva.
Atharva.
Okay. Atharva, just tell me the analogy between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Analogy यानी similarity between electric circuit and magnetic circuit.
Okay, sir. So electric circuit consists of conducting wires, and in a magnetic circuit, conducting wires are similar to core. That is, core, which consists of two parts, that is legs, or also called as limbs. And the source is similar, and it is in electric circuit it is called source, and in the same way in magnetic circuit it is also called as source. And the third part in electric circuit is load or resistance, which is similar in electrical in magnetic circuit. Magnetic resistance or load is similar in magnetic circuit as
yes, very good, very good.
End.
Yes, very good, very good. So काफी अच्छे से सुना. In fact, the way you have given me the answer is really appreciable because you have listened the talk very carefully, and in fact you have like you imitated me. यानी मैं आपको कहूँगा कि आपने सही से उन सारी चीजों को बताया, सारे पोर्शन को आपने बताया जो पोर्शन मैं आपको बता चुका हूँ. Very good, very nice, really right, nice. Atharva, okay. Atharva, I just want your pointer. First sem का pointer और अच्छा first sem का result लगा है क्या? I don't know. नहीं लगा. Okay. What was your percentage in 12th standard?
84.
84. Very good. आपने AIEEE और नीट NEET ऐसा कोई एग्जाम दिया था क्या?
No, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, fine. So based on your 12th score, you have joined the engineering.
Also CET.
Okay. So what was that score?
91%.
Very good. Very nice. What is your branch?
Sir, pardon? Can you repeat?
आपका ब्रांच कौन सा है?
Mechanical engineering.
बेटा इलेक्ट्रिकल भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, very good. Very nice. Okay, fine. So this is what see, कैसे है ना कि जब हम लोग कहते हैं कि आपके पास एक सोर्स है और आपके पास एक लोड है. लोड की डिमांड रिक्वायरमेंट होती है सोर्स की, यानी उसको चाहिए करंट. तो अगर वो लोड की डिमांड फुलफिल हो जाती है तो सोर्स को भी ऐसा लगता है कि जो चीज मैंने जनरेट की है उसका एक यूटिलाइजेशन. अब यहाँ पर सोर्स मैं खुद को एक समझता हूँ, जस्ट इन केस मैं खुद को समझता हूँ, बिकॉज आई एम डिलीवरिंग लेक्चर ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. एंड लोड यानी जो रिसीविंग एंड है, दैट रिसीविंग एंड इज आर माई स्टूडेंट्स. So if the students demand something and if I am conveying the same message to them, and if the students get satisfied, or if the student satisfies the faculty after giving answers to the question which is asked, which are asked, right? So that is the satisfaction of the both, satisfaction of the faculty, the teacher, and the satisfaction of the student. So after getting the answer from Atharva, I am really first of all I have just appreciate Atharva, because she has given, correct Atharva?
Sir,
because from sorry, because I am from like मैंने आपको देखा नहीं है ना, तो उससे पता नहीं चल रहा है exactly, right? Okay, so Atharva, very nice answers. Thank you so much, because in fact this your answer motivates others to give the answers to the questions. Okay, so अथर्वा बहुत अच्छे से जवाब दिया और आपने अच्छे से पूरा लेक्चर सुना हुआ है. सो वेरी नाइस बेटा, वेरी नाइस, बहुत अच्छा है. सो आपको मैंने देखा नहीं. कैन यू जस्ट कीप योर कैमरा ऑन सो दैट आई कैन सी यू, अथर्वा?
Yes, a minute. Sir,
Actually, students.
Sir, I can't
Achha,
because my camera is not working and the laptop is getting hanged after I on the camera.
No, then don't do that. अच्छा, सिर्फ दिक्कत ये है फ्रेंड्स कि मैंने आप लोगों को गाइस देखा नहीं है. सो देखा नहीं है तो आई कैन नॉट लाइक थोड़ा रिकग्निशन ना होने की वजह से पता नहीं चल रहा है. सो उतना हमारा इंटरेक्शन जस्ट 1 month बिफोर वी हैव स्टार्टेड इंटरेक्टिंग विद ईच अदर, राइट, विथ ईच अदर. In fact, the interactions from my side is more than your side. So I don't know much about you, about yourself. So I think we will have 1 hour for interaction. We'll keep it in next week. हम लोग वो interaction next week में रखते हैं, because right now I am in a pressure to complete the syllabus, because I have already said that the topics which we have to discuss is same as of before. जो पहले थी उतने ही topics है. But the time slot has decreased. The number of hours has decreased. Now the number of hours is only 2 in a week. So it becomes difficult to have the difficult to complete the syllabus from my end. So little bit I am in a pressure to complete the syllabus. Okay. So we will keep that interaction so that सभी students को मैं देख सकूँ, मैं जान सकूँ. So sorry अथर्वा, but मैंने थोड़ा मुझे एकदम आइडेंटिफाई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाया मैं. बट नाइस टू हियर यू हियर ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन, राइट? सो लेट अस मूव फर्दर. इट्स 10:08 हो चुका है. नाउ in fact I have cleared what I wanted to convey you about this introduction of the topic. It's 10:09. तो अगर मैं और कोई पोर्शन आपसे डिस्कस करता हूं तो इट विल टेक अगेन 5 more minutes एंड देन उसके वजह से नेक्स्ट लेक्चर आपका डिले लेट हो जाएगा. So it's better to stop here instead of taking next point for the discussion. Okay, is it okay, Aditya, Aryan, Apurva? Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Now, can I get 1 more hour for discussion? क्या मुझे और एक 1 आवर मिल सकता है? बिकॉज लास्ट वीक वी मिस्ड 2 आवर्स, तो आज तो मेरा 1 आवर यहाँ पर कवर हो गया. Is it possible to have 1 more hour? Not exactly today, maybe tomorrow. Yes, I know tomorrow is Sunday, sir. Sunday हमारा आप लेक्चर लेके खराब ना करें. I know, I can understand that. But is it possible to have 1 class on Sunday only for 40 or 45 minutes?
Okay, sir.
No,
Okay,
I need the willingness from each and every student. If all the students are agreed, then and then we will take. Otherwise, we will not take. Okay, you do one thing. Now you are going to post your attendance in the form of roll number, right? So please put there whether you want lecture tomorrow. If yes, then why? Just put roll number, and in front of that write down why. Like roll number 1, why? Roll number 2, N. Roll number 3, N. Roll number 4, N. So if you want lecture, put Y. If you don't want lecture, put N. And don't hesitate to say no. Huh? Don't hesitate to say no. Yes, I appreciate that those who are saying no. But based on the number of Ys and number of Ns, I have to take the decision. And please tell me the timing. If the students are saying Y, please convey me the timing. The best timing, it's 9:15 to 10:15. Is it okay? Or 10:15 to 11:15? Because on Sunday, generally students take more sleep than, like they prefer to sleep for longer time. Okay. Yes, very good, Sanskar. Vaishnavi, very good. No issue. See, the Rutuja Dandekar is joining now. Rutuja, you are joining now. Okay, so I just count the number of Ys and number of Ns. If it is equal, then मैं अपना एक vote दूंगा. If Ys are more, then I'll take the lecture. If N are more, then I'll not take your lecture. But after, okay, Kaustubh is also putting no there. Okay, Kaustubh, ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं बेटा. Fine. So I'll just decide based on your chat, and then immediately after 1 or 2 hours, I'll convey that message to you. Okay. So thank you very much, guys, for attending this extra class. Hope we will meet soon, maybe tomorrow. Okay, Vaishnavi. Okay, Rohini. Yes, someone wants to say something. Okay, Madhav, Rishabh, Mayur, Parth, Rishabh. Okay, Parth.
Yes, sir.
Okay, leave fast, beta, because you have to join next class, na?
Yes, sir.
Madhav,